When the duppy them want to put it down, you say, Duppy, you not win. You can't win. No. You can't stop me at no way. No alternative, baby. Good afternoon, I should say. Not morning, no, come on, gone. When we up and down this morning, so busy and so on. You know how it when people come to pick up them cream, if you rush outside, if you do this and do that and all of that. So because of that, me kind of late and me kind of hungry too. You know? Late and hungry the match. Late and hungry the match. But then the man no watch. Them, but I put too much butter on this. Remember the egg? I put too much butter on it. Pot bun up and black in it. Same so I like it. Yeah, but the egg left too much on me. I put too much of the butter. Or something the butter I use. The butter still if you know it to my stream, that's too much cholesterol there. With the butter, too much. But you know, so I'm not going to eat it with the bread, means butter. You know, so I'm going to eat with the bread. You know, I'm going to eat with the bread. Good afternoon, my loved ones. How are you today, beautiful people? I know. I miss you too. But when the evil fuckers wants to stop you, and they lie on you and try to shut you down, they try to shut me down on YouTube, try to shut me down on Facebook. Everywhere I go, they try to shut me down and trying to keep me off talking to you guys. And I'm saying the devil is a liar. So no matter how they stop me, I'm not going to sit down and murmur or cry. God got it all. Because what goes around surely comes back around. So I'm not going to sit here not doing anything for you guys. Can't see me not at all. So that's what they want. They feel like, oh, get her black on YouTube, get her black on Facebook. Nobody will see her, and I can do my life, and I can become a star. Not everybody have the talent, you know, and so on. But some of them want to claim that they do. Bread. I went to the supermarket this morning, and I got me some more bread and stuff. This one is different. This one got all kind of seed, like flex seed. This one wheat flour, all wheat flour. Yeah, sesame seed, sunflower seed, flex seed, sugar and salt and yeast, yeah. So, you know, these are the breads I eat. I don't really eat the other white bread I used to eat no more because those are very bad. Give you diabetes and cancer and different things. You know, so I eat this one is more better for you. So that's the one I really eat. So that the other one I have finished and the other one was bigger than this. I don't know how long that's gonna serve me for. So I was like, let me get two of them, you know. So I got another one. But this one is not, that one don't have the seed. This one plain, it don't have the seeds on it. This one doesn't have the seeds on it. This one plain. Give me some water, cracker, some alkaline water, and so on. And I'm back and I gotta eat and I gotta talk. I love to eat and talk. It's the thing I like to do a lot. I love you. I know it's my coffee cup now, I know, right? You know, somebody bought me like 3 coffee cups and I threw them out. I feel it was like bad luck, so I just get rid of him. Dash them away. I don't take anything from people. I'm very funny. I take from people these days. I'm telling people don't buy me stuff, but you send me the money and buy what I want. You know? Mighty God of Daniel touch his food this morning. It's egg and the bread. I 7 egg in my plate. I need the egg because I need that much meat and I need the muscles. Father, I beg you, Father God, touch me, curl off my hands on my feet, touch everybody else, provide for them. Know that God is Lord. I love you. I love you all, my people. God bless you all, each and every one on YouTube who view me. Love to all my subscriber. Thank you, my subscriber. God bless you. And for the fingertip, God really bless you. So I just want to tell you thanks and tell you thanks. So thank you, my subscriber. Thank you so much, and God bless you and your family. And hope all good things come to you in life. Amen. Who doesn't have subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Touch that button and subscribe to me. Thank you so much. So I drink to them. I know. If I would have never rubbed nothing. Tastes good though. Tastes good, is it? Let's scramble the egg them with the hotel bar butter. And make it too hot, so make it burn up. Make it butter melt, put the egg them and put like a salt and stir it. Scramble the egg, it tastes so good. I like this egg because when I eat egg, sometimes I make me throw up. I feel sick when my stomach sick. But eating this egg, I started eating this egg more than 10 years ago. And I still eat them when I'm ready to eat egg. Because this is the best tasting egg to me. No hormone, no antibiotic. It's all natural. I like that egg. Egg company is good. If I eat regular egg, I throw it up. I can't eat like this. If I eat that, no problem. I know. This is the one we usually eat. Usually eat all the time. Like them eggs. It tastes fresh and nice. So today was thank Mother's Day. Hope you all enjoy yourself and so on. The thing about life, when people can't study you, when people think you're something that you're not, they can't study you, I like that. People that want to study me, they don't study me, they don't know me yet. I'm a nice person, but sometimes people take kindness for weakness. See inside of all the seeds them inside, or they make inside the bread, seeds them. Not the bread of seed. So they see them in our bread. That's it. So about life with me now. You have some man in life, they're really bad mind. You have some man in life, they're very bad mind. Very bad mind for man. I just say why man could be bad mind. So another man is very bad mind. You have some man out there, they're bad mind. If you have them attack, I don't want to work and make a little bit more money and then get jealous. If you see I try to make it in life and go somewhere else, you branch off and become a popular person, whatever, then bad mind and jealous. And I tell it to them face, so you can see them action, bad mind and jealous, and try to bring you down. And as a woman, when you try to make it and sometimes a man want to bring it down, especially if you don't want him, you want to bring it down, baby. If you have a man and you used to talk and you him not talk no more and all him sitting there. You got a little money. Sometimes you don't have a cent. Some of them. Then go ahead and try to break what you're doing. Try to mess you up so you don't have no money at all in your pocket. And feel as if them can take you down when you have no money in your pocket. Then they end around and we get the fear what they want if you can lay up with you and have sex with you. But them feel as if you can do for yourself and independent. They don't like that. They want if you're not independent. So they can deal with you when they want. A lot of men stay like that. A lot of men do not want to see a woman progress. Very few men want to see that. Very few men. When a man have you on a bandage, the eggshell is our and a bandage. For there with him when he want, give him body when he want, turn him in bed when he want. Because he making more money. And he might pay most of the bill for the apartment. And all them things are him own our business. Him no want to see you get up and get a business for yourself. I having that. Some of them don't like it. Very few men want to see the woman go good. But some of them do not like it. They want to sit in the house and depend on them for every freaking dollar. They want to sit in the house and depend on them for every freaking dollar. And then you can make an advance. You understand me? Come and bring on all the money. you're not working. And turn you all kind of way have you do all kind of shit, and the minute you don't want to do it, you say, well, you're not freaking working, and me covering all these bills. And me go to already and working every day, killing up myself. And I know I can get loving I get from my woman the way I want. You know? And start to disrespect you. Because him out there doing it, and if him don't want you to do the same thing because him want to have power over you. You want to have power over you. Understand? And the only way to have power over you if you're not independent. You're making a lot of money. But they will try to stop you from making that money. Make your business mash up. Because they want some of you push them old dirty tone. You have some of them want to push them old dirty tone. Because the only way for them to push them big old tone and they feel like if you don't bring a little money come give you. The time of the house where they're putting them. You have to put them from them little bit till the put them get bigger, you know, and nothing to do. Not a thing you have to do. One son of the house. You know your house now? You take the pile. It's not like some man a woman can stay at home, because woman supposed to stay at home. You know? And a man take care of a woman, especially have kids to take care of. But the problem is, nowadays, you don't find that so. Nowadays, you don't find that so at all. That bag of bread I go down fast. So I buy more one bag of bread, I know better. I have to buy one. Because that's what I'm done. Oh, the hot coffee sold my soul. Hot coffee sold my soul for sure. Lord, protect me from dying enemy. Protect me, Lord. Yeah, so, yeah, that's how them behave. They want the woman to sit on the house and they want $1 or 5 or 10 and give them and they can show you and talk to you anyway. And when they don't do that now, they don't want you to be independent. And then go outward and start look for a woman. And take them money, start buying prostitute and all kind of same thing. So you don't look good enough because you know the house put on. So you look like old man when you walk in and you look like this and you look like that. You know? Nothing now go on. Let's go spend the money for a woman out the door. I left the woman at the house same place to where she did. But when she try to do something for herself, they don't want that. You know, woman want to do something for themselves sometimes, the man don't want to do that. Because they can't boss you around as much. Because you can't say, well, here, I'm out. I'm not going to put up with this. When you don't want no money, you don't want nothing. And you try to think, man, pull it down from where you try. You can't be better than me. You can't be higher than me. You can't rise higher than me. I have to pull you down to the ground. I'm going to size you down to my fucking level. I will never get what I want. I have to size you down. But I tell you what. I'm the kind of bitch like that, right? When somebody tries to tell me they get nothing from me, they have to kill me. I don't know where you can get with me dead. I'm cold dead. Can't happen. Where is man them? I'm jealous of the woman. They don't want the woman out of them house, out of them eyesight. Right? But at the same time, they come and text upon the woman. Or them want to work, and them want to this, and them want to that. Huh? It's fucked up. Excuse me language. Imagine that. You don't want a woman do that damn thing. So when a man has a woman in the house there, and when you're done, You understand me? The woman out there get more money than the woman in the house. One of my complaints, the woman sit down on her ass when the woman try to do a business, it never help. And him tell her, say, man, no bother with that, no man, and this and that. You know? And then because woman, you ain't doing nothing, I get up every day, I go to work. All you sitting home doing what? Dirty man. Dirty man. Dirty man. So, now let me give a rat sauce, you know. So you see me ever eat, you know, so I don't give a damn. So one thing with me, I don't give a damn. One thing, now what about when you see me eat and when I don't care? Like a big fat, I can't feel my belly just go right down that my lighter suction. If I come out so big, you feel like my liposuction when my belly just go weird down. That's help me, man. Wow. So, I saw some of them stay. So they can't take it, tell you. They're not walk. And use it like dog. If you and them used to sleep together and do one sitting twice a week or so, or once a week, they want 4 or 5 times a week, no. Because they see you're not working away, they must go to work, they must be comfortable when they come in and get comfort. Dirty man. Dirty man. Dirty man, man. One of them, when they see the house now, then come in, then bathe and dress up and then gone. Where you going? I'm going to go to the boys. I go to hang with my friends. Huh? When you want to travel, I'm busy, man. I bother with that, no man. I don't bother with that. Wicked fucker, you know. One woman for don't depend on you, one woman reach away. You see my crime, they take a time and cut them down piece by piece. Cut them down piece by piece. I must finish this bitch. She ain't gonna get no waves enough. They with me and we grind out me feel like and do what me like with her. She getting nowhere. Whatever she doing, I'm gonna try to tear it down. I try to tear it down so she don't have nothing. She will come back to me. When she could be making millions, she'll be making dollars change. Like that me have to care. When I easy. We had 4 slices of bread and more eggs, but I'm full. I'm still on. Bad man. Some of them have ex-girlfriend. Some of them are currently wife. Some of them are currently girlfriend. They just don't want to see you make it. They rather have you and eat them foot. If they don't have you to eat your foot, local and eat them like you don't work nothing, they don't feel good. And that's why I must always push and be strong. Thank you, Jesus. That's why I must be always push and be strong. Late on like I didn't make for breakfast. I know. Now that really feel for. And my belly full now. Make sure I do my eggs every morning. I come here work out now for a period of time. I need the egg. I work out a lot. I mean, I full on too much meat. Then I'm going to eat later. Maybe eat some spinach or something. I don't know. But then I'm going to eat it in either. Yes, so some man is like that. And bad mind and cruel. They don't want to see you rich and win life. They want to be on top. You understand? And some people are bad mind. They don't like to see you do nothing. And try to take it down. And all them stuff. I love everybody. I love everybody, but some people are very bad mind and some man is very bad minded. You see a woman, when we meet a woman doing good, she have a business running, she looking sexy, looking good, a man meet her and tear her down. We realize her shop closed. Her fucking shop closed, and borrow her money and sit and tear the woman down. Her shop closed, she look mager, she don't look good no more and all them sitting there. Tear her down. So some man stay, they don't like to see her doing good, they like to tear the fuck down. And if them can't tear her down, them don't feel good. And a lot of people is like that. You know? A lot of men do not like women to be independent because if you're a woman independent, they can't do the woman as much as they want to do to the woman. They can't wrap her around them finger, around them toe and want to. Unless you really in need. So sometimes a man say a woman starting at something he want, bring it down. If him obsessed, some of the good man in the mind, they will join in with the woman and make her business rise. And make whatever I do, she become successful. But you have some other set where they want to tear down. And they will tear down to the ground. Bottom line, that's just it. You know? Bottom line, that's just it. Just want to tear you down. You know? And when you realize that, you have to tell yourself, so wait, this man no good. You know? You understand me? You can't make a man get up and tell you what to do. If you have a money you want to do your business, you do your business. No matter what you tell you no, you go ahead and do it for you. It's for you, you're doing it for her. It's not for him. You're doing it for yourself. Because if you still want to say, no, baby, not do the standard. Sometimes you tell her, no, baby, not bother with that. And still come back and borrow the fucking money. Where they have to go do something with. And say them up pay you back. Tell them not to do your business with it. But then take a borrow for do something else. You must always be smart, man. Always smart and hold your head up. Every time a person tries to bring you down, it's always another way. You see me? Me cannot be stopped. So I tell you later, I cannot be stopped. I can do all one want. As soon as I come back online and I can do live, me bigger than even before. So when you all stop me, you're only making me more bigger and popular. Just know that, because I cannot be stopped. I have faith in God, I believe in God, and I not do no wrong. So I can't be stopped. Alright? But some of these minds are very jealous. Some of these men don't even want you to be alive. If they run me sick, then give sitting your food, make you more sicker. You understand? Make it look worse than what you is. You can't move around a lot. You can't trust some of them. Because some of them are control freaks. And when they can't control you, they want control if I'm not working, control if you stay in the house, control how much money you spend, what you can buy for yourself, what kind of shoes you can wear, what kind of hairstyle you can wear. You can't wear this lipstick or this makeup or your eyebrow like that. A lot of men are very controlling. And you cannot make a man control your life like that because when you do, you don't have a life for yourself. That's why I look at it and that's what I said. One of them is bad mind. A lot of these men are bad mind against them girlfriend. The girlfriend look good, you don't want the girlfriend look good. You feel like she should look better than her. Nobody on social media, a man want to be better than a woman. You understand me? And I realize a woman is always going to get attention more than a man because a woman is a woman. You understand me? But the man want to match up with the woman and go at my woman too. Start when to weave them everything and want to make better than the woman them too and all this stuff. It don't make no sense. A woman is a woman and a man is a man. But a lot of these men, they are jealous of women. They are jealous of you as a woman. You understand? Some of them want to be a woman, they're jealous of you because they want to be a woman. Some of these men, they're jealous of you because they're my ex-boyfriend, they not get back with you. You know she not get back with them, so they don't want to see you rise. They don't want to see anything that you do that you're comfortable. They want your life to be miserable because they cannot use you. And the sooner you find it out, is the better you know, wanna lie me, I tell you. Watch out for these bad minds cunt to come in your house, man who call himself man. They want to ride your skunt and ride your skunt anyway. Some of them, even if you're out of shape or you're fat or you say I got a gym, you tell us, no baby, no bother with that man. You're not, if you better go to a gym, no, you're not that big. Because them bad mind and jealous. They don't want to see you in a shape, they don't want to see you look good. Because they don't want to see other man look upon you. They want you walk around like dry shit in a body wall. You understand me? So that is the whole point of it. Some men are very jealous and evil, and they will stop you from working. They will watch your crutches, and they will turn around and cuss you and say, I gone work how long, and you do nothing. You sit down for your ass every day, and they will cuss you and bring you down till stress take you, till all kind of sitting start happening to your brain. You feel like you go crazy, all kind of sitting, just because they want to control your life. A lot of woman man control them to tell them turn idiot, them turn fool. They never born fool, you know. Abuse turn them into fucking idiot. You see them on the road, all them man are shake from abuse. Them have Parkinson's disease early. So me know what me talking about. A bitch like me hard like a rock. Nobody now come ride me or put me in a situation to come ride me or all this shit because they be wasting their damn time doing all of that. Because at the end of the day, if they bring me down to the dirty, them still not get nothing from me. That's the kind of woman I am. You understand me? So I just want to left that with you today. Watch the man you're with and see some of them not like you. Some of them is bad mind against you. Some of them are going to your ear done, your nails done, you look good when they meet you. As soon as you start talking to them, I tell them about put a perm in your ear, about get the nails done, or what is your wear, about wear that dress, the same thing you used to wear, you can't wear it no more. Even though you're not married yet. Even though you're not living with a person yet. So sometimes these things happen all the time. You know what I mean? But all the way, you must always remember, never let that define you. You must always hold your head up and try to do something for yourself. No matter who want to stop you, you got to continue and let no man stop you. Don't make a man park inside of a house and do what him feel like for the one talk to you and feel like. When you could have out there doing a little work, you know, no kids around you or something. You better you left and go do a little work where you can get up on your own because you sit down with this man and you're not getting a good loving from him again because the way him talk to you. The way him slap you across your face, you can't make no good looking and he still come back and ride you when him feel like you are some kind of animal, like you are some kind of material or some kind of instrument you can use. Him not realize that you have feelings and he can beat you or cuss you or cheat on you and come back in the house and ride you when him feel like him special and put you on the back shelf like you're nobody. You understand? When you go to him and go cheat woman call and your yard, all kind of woman know cheating with him and all kind of thing and him doing all them things and still line up you without protection. Don't make a man stifle your conscience. Do not make a man stifle the way you're supposed to be in God's world. Do not over no flesh. I can tell you, not over no flesh. So remember, ladies, open your eyes up. When you're with a man and you see him tell us you can't wear this, you can't wear that, especially if it's something look bad, if it's something look decent enough and you look good enough and you must still stop it from weird. A pair of shoes will look good. You look for the red sign. You just look for it and you say, no, something is wrong with this. This is not right. Something about this is not right. This man is too controlling. And you look for it and you say you got to take your time and pull yourself out. Because sometimes when controlling, they know why you pull out and then try to murder you before you pull out. They murder you. You end up dead. You understand me? So I saw that go. So just remember, so when you're there on a man, if him not deal with you good, just watch him and take your time and see what him up to. Alright? Away from that, do not sit down if you have something to do or you get something to do for please no man. Because at the end of the day, him not going to give you the money where you lose. And at the end of the day, when you cheat and when want and start to shoot around like that, because if the job come, he tell us you not take it. And you sit down home and cook for him and washing clothes. And when he come in, he's still not happy. He's still gonna road, girl a cheat all about, breed girl a road. You don't have no time for that. If a man meet you a certain way and him like how you be, or him like how you be when he meet you how you is, him should leave you make you be the way you is. Just like how he meet you. Him shouldn't try to change you or try to control you and tell you what to do, but you can't go. You can't got your family, you can't have your friends no more, and the man just control your total life and turn you in a food. When you look like you have some head problem, you walk and shake like this, you have Parkinson's disease. So no bother with it. If you have something to go ahead and do it. You know, a man must respect you and respect your time and respect the person you are. And if he don't, then you don't have to lie up with him. You cannot lie up with somebody who constantly cheating on you. Line up with somebody who constantly lying to you and treat you like trash. And you lay back in the house, relax and make that happen every day. No, time for you get up, start exercise, start do what you have to do. Get one little something for do, you do it and start with a little money so you can't leave him alone and depart. When you come home, you know more you move and you're gone. You leave him. You cannot sit down, make year after year, month after month come, and you sit under controlling man, do nothing with your life. All the little something that you like to do, he must stop you from doing it and hold you down. And when you walk into the door, it must be like some God walking. You must jump up when you come from work evening time, happy and pick up and go on like some goddess. Because I told you $1 women make where you could have make more than that for yourself. Just remember that. You don't make nobody come turn in a precky in a bed. Because some of them money when they ride in a bed and ride in a bed, they call it precky, you know. Because they ride you like a precky. Every minute they want, and they want you to suck this, they want you to suck, they want you to do all kind of thing. But at the end of the day, when they go to road to a next girl, they might give the girl more money and when they bring into the house, so man. The woman live a house with you for years, you don't want to spend the money on her like that. Somehow, no. Somehow, no. Good man still do. But somehow, no bad man, no don't. No rather take you and go to road, go look one girl because the girl body big. And give to her. I have one woman who sit down for years when I'm married to the house. Can't go get her ear done. Can't go get her foot scrub. But at girl out there get it and run behind at girl out there.
And I broke on the neck. And when that girl no want to know a ball. And I can't talk about God I go deal with you. Some of them have the damn nerve. If they come tell them, God go and deal with your man. What you're doing is wicked. God go and say, listen to me. And one time Sugar Daddy called me and tell me about God go and deal with your girl. I say, listen. Before God deal with me, God is going to deal with you. Because you are the one of your wife in a house where you are beat and a cheap on. So before God deal with me, Him going to deal with you first. I say, what goes around comes around. And maybe God send me in your life for you to cry. You understand? Because the wickedness that you done, you have to see that what goes around comes around. So don't call me phone and talk about God go and deal with your girl because I don't want to put up with your slackness and I don't want to lay down with you. God go and deal with you first before Him deal with me. So if God go deal with me because I don't want to commit adultery and sleep with a married man, God go and deal with me. But God not going to deal with you because of your sin. You must be here in the wrong, honey. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time, baby love. God going to surely deal with you before He get to me. You understand me? So no come call my phone and talk about God going to deal with you. God not going to deal with me because I don't want to sleep with married man or I don't want to date with married man. Oh, God going to deal with me. The only thing God going to do is bless me because I'm not doing that. That's what He's going to do. He's not going to deal with me. He's going to bless me because I'm not doing it. And I don't want to do that. And I'm not up to that. And the man who called me 4 years ago come tell me I need to talk. God going to deal with you. Come in and want to go hang out with Him. And do what you want. God going to deal with you. I said, God going to deal with you first, buddy. God going to deal with you first, buddy. I tell you that. God going to deal with you first, honey. Talk about God going to deal with me. God going to deal with you first. Then before you get to me. You understand me? Because I'm a wife in my house and pick me and so long I wait for me. When I run behind woman tail, I run up on the door and they eat. Every time the woman try to do something, I eat what she do. She try this for sell that, I eat this, but I do this, but I do that. All kind of problem. So if I want to stay, I want to come out and go to sweetheart $1,000 and $2,000 road. You want to get Indian here, $800-900, go and go buy it. And make sure your center part look good. That time your woman, you're putting them in the house. Your daughter and son need a good pair of shoes. You understand? You need. But you take it all out of house because you want to put in ears ring in your ears and go like you're a young man and run behind this woman and leave your wife in the house and treat her like crap. That's why somehow you get on the money thief, girl spend out all of the money, run up on a credit card, left on a broke. Because that's what you should get. Because you cannot have a woman inside your house and disrespecting her and coming back to her and still sleeping with her while you're cheating on her. That is so wrong. So you think say the woman are going to sit down for years with a man what she married to, and he run all about and cheat on her like a dog, and she stay with him till she young until she old, and she never cheat and she never take a man? Unless I'm a human being. It's less than that, you know what I mean? Because nobody gonna sit down, make nobody run them over and sleep with all kind of woman, unprotected, breed up woman, and you still stick with him right through, and then he continue buying prostitute all about and just run so, and beat you and slap you and talk to you any kind of way. Don't let no man do them thing that you know. Do not make no man get away with that, honey. I'm so sorry. No. If a man can't respect you, he got to go. And like I said to you, some of these men nowadays, they're bad mind. When they see you look good, them bad mind, they will come into your life and try to break you with stress. Come in your life, they start to give you a little something at first and go on all nice and then try to break you. You know, argue with you every minute, try to make your face bring down yourself and stress you down, to bring you down to nothing. Then the woman then start to lose weight, to all kind of argument, to call woman, to pest them all day upon them phone and can't get a break for even think. That's how some man bad mind. Because they say you look too good, more and bring her down. Me get too hard now, no time for mash her up. That's why enough pretty woman go with man after they with man and get mashed up. You say, what to her she looks, oh my God. Mash her up because them bad mind. When a man can saka you when you want, saka you anyway, like a beck and call every minute, and you not agree, you want to bring you down to the dirty. Some of them even want to see you die, and that's a sad thing, but it's true. Some of them want to see you die. You understand me? They want to bring you down, man. You can't be with me, can't get to me want, man. I want to see she lose anything she build. I want to see get mashed up. Anything she aiming for, I want to make sure when I'm done with her piece by piece, she will have nothing. Nobody will know her no longer. And then I will get to cock her up and do what I want to do with her. That way I will get my satisfaction. Can me bring her down to me. Make a man bring her down to for them level. Keep going high. Do not make a man bring her to down for them. You keep going high, honey. You hear me? Your strength will never fail you once you got God. Never fail you. You keep going for what you're going for, no matter how the task, no matter how the river high, no matter how the sea, no matter the overflood, no matter what, you just keep going with your head high. Because a man is not God. God is God. Man is just a man, just like yourself. And if a man can't respect you, then you don't need to be with him. Simple and clear. You don't need to be with him. You understand me? And if a man want to bring you down and break you down, you don't need to be with him. If he's not helping you up, he's helping you down. One or the other. Is he helping you up or is he helping you down? That's all is to it. So for now until later, I love you. Because I'm not going to stop me from posting my video. Let me know. Remember, subscribe. They try to bring me pan everywhere me go. Yeah, everywhere them try to bring me. Listen, me can't come live pan here. Cannot come live on here. They're out to get me, man, for no reason at all. These people. Yeah. So that is why. So I love you guys and so on. God bless you. And keep your head up high. Know that only man is higher than you is God. Nobody else. And yeah, I love you too. I love you too. I know my mustache probably won't shave off now. But I love you too and so on. And just keep your faith up. Be strong. I love you. And I want the haters to know you could never stop me. You remember make video till me dead, we make video till me dead. Not gonna stop me. Because God is with me. You know, like I said to say that one of my goodies, she called me yesterday. So she watched me all the time. I know, Goody, you're gonna see this. And she was like, you know, Olivet, I'm working at this place and such. I'm my own black girl there. This manager by this woman, such and such, he cheating on his wife. And he bought such and such and such and such for the girl. And he started to go with this other girl. And, you know, I was going to get some of the creams if I could fix up myself and get some of the rubbings from you and see if the man don't like me so he could spend some of the money for me, my manager. So I turned to my Goody and said, Goody, why would you want to go and change up yourself for your manager to be with you so you can get some of the money when you spend on the girl? I say, you're too bad mind. I say, Goody, you're too bad mind. You're very bad mind, girl. So because you see the man and spend money for the next woman you want, to spend the money for your work, you want to show up yourself for the man, you're very bad mind, Goody. I say, man, you're very bad mind. First of all, the girl who must spend the money for, you don't know if the man have age or the girl have age. You don't know what the man do, you don't know for them business. But you want to go in your own just now because the girl have the man spend much $1,000 for the girl and buy her house and buy her. I say, Goody, you're too bad mind. You're very bad mind, girl. And she never vex. She say, Goody, me like that's what you call this. You tell me the truth. You know, go on my back or talk. You tell me the truth that me bad mind one time in front of my face. And she said, thank you, Olivet, for talking to you because me look at it that way. You see, you can't get yourself killed and get your pitting them kill and get your fucking body killed. If you go blackmail the man and can't sense body can't kill you. And kill your pitting them. You talk about rich white people here. You know what I mean? And you can't get yourself killed. So why you don't want to go dress up for the man to get money because in there with the next woman we work with the man woman there and you go buy the woman things and him there the next one the girl. My feel business that. Mind, we say, mind your business where you work. Hi, good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir. And go your business and stop being bad mind. And I want to go give up your body. If you go run with no man, if you go try get something where them can't get. He said, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, honey. You're too bad mind. You can't do that. And she never vex. And she watch me. She gonna see this on YouTube. She never vex. I'm not calling her, but I don't know how me attack. But you know, she not vex when me tell her she too bad mind because bad mind make you do a lot of things. You can't see a man I give woman money. And I get the woman, you broke your neck for good chance for woman. If you see somebody being popular, you go report them to Facebook or try to do all kind of sitting to them if you try to bring them down because you're bad mind and you want to be like them. It doesn't work like that. Once a person popular and they have talent, they're always going to popular. If you shut down all of them sites with them and they can't always open up a new ones and still popular because them done popular already. As people see them itch right back on. So people if you understand that, you know. Satisfied what you have, pray to God and work towards what you want, but you cannot be bad mind. Bad mind. Me not bad mind about it for nothing. Because at the end of the day, when I post them video, I get in a commercial break. Many people on YouTube, all they trying to get me off YouTube and them killing out themselves and doing much live, them still cannot get not even one commercial break. What it makes sense if you're not making nothing and you kill out yourself, you run the next person just off of the line and you still not make nothing. You still not a subscriber. It don't make no sense. So God bless you and I love you. I talk to you later.